Good morning, this is for the time trial one. This is my video on how to retrieve data from the website in Minnesota Geospatial Commons. So first is just to go here to gisdata.min.gov, and since we're already here, I'm going to come down here to go to boundaries, click on that. And from there, I am going to put counties into the search bar here, press enter, and it comes up right here. So county boundaries, Minnesota. So I'm going to actually take this one and click on it. And it gives me all these options. I think what I'm going to do is just take the shape file. I don't think I want everything just for the time trial here, so I'm going to download this. So you can see here it's downloading. Hey, not too slow this morning. And I am going to then open up my ArcGIS program. I'm going to come down here to this pull-up menu and click on ArcGIS Pro. I'm going to open that. I'm not sure if what was recorded, but if it wasn't, I just went over here to my start menu and I opened up the ArcGIS Pro, and here I am. I'm going to just start a new map. I'm just going to label it time trial 1. And this is going to open and generate a blank map. And so from here, I'm going to go over to my folders as soon as this kind of generates something. I'm going to just let it do its thinking. It's a little slow. Okay, alright, so here it's loading its a map, and I'm gonna go, and here is I'm gonna come over here to my folders, and I'm gonna add a folder connection. Let's hope that, well, of course it doesn't. Computer downloads. Well, we'll just connect it anyways and see what I can find. Yep, not seen it, so I'm gonna pause this and see what I can find here. What I think I need to do to extract these files is to do exactly that, so I'm gonna extract them all. I don't know if that's a good place for it to go, but we'll see. Okay. So perhaps this is going to show up now. in my folders. Of course, I'm just going to remove it. And then I'm going to add a folder. I keep saying it's empty. I'm not really sure why. I'm gonna go back to this, and maybe I'm just going to move it all. Haha. This is not going to be a short video, and I'm not editing it because I don't know how to edit, so. Okay. I'm going to just move it in my desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm just going to call it County Boundaries. And then I'm just going to paste everything into this. I really hope this is going to show up now. So I'm going to minimize that window. I'm going to come back here again. And I'm going to go to my desktop. You know, it's funny how it's not showing up. It's just like a nightmare. Isn't that fun? Not sure why my folder is not showing up here. Users, no. We'll see. Let's see. Well, it's really interesting why that folder does not show up. I basically dumped everything onto my desktop. And here is that folder. You know, I'm gonna, since my IES files, I'm just gonna move it in there. And I'm gonna go back because I know that's gonna show up. This is the thing that really bothers me is, oh, see, look at that. Haha, see? So I'm going to then now, sometimes you just have to problem solve. And I am going to just kind of take a look here to better understand. I'm not really sure what this means, so I'm going to just view the metadata. Okay. Well, anyways, I hope that impressed you. I'm going to go back to my map, and I'm just going to drop this onto here, and from there, hey, look, I'm all zoomed in, and I'm going to drop the labels as well, because I think that would be a really fun one to have, because then as I zoom in here, well, you would think it would show that, but there must be, it must be populating, or there must be a text layer that I'm not seeing. Ooh, there's lots of fun stuff here. to drop in. I'm not really sure. Oh, that one's kind of interesting. Anyways, I hope this shows to you that I'm good at problem solving. It might not be able to go in the right way, but I did it. I want to go back and see my annotations. I'm going to bring that on top. Still doesn't make sense why the annotations aren't showing up, but that's not part of this assignment, so perhaps it's up to me to write those, to type those in. They didn't pay the person enough to type them in for them. So anyways, that's it. This is going to be a really long video, but glad you made it through to the end. I'm glad I was able to show you that I was able to do this. Now, next part will be to upload to YouTube.